Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan. Now, Asus has launched the ROG Phone 3, but they've also launched the new ROG Cetra active noise cancelling headphones designed for gamers and designed to be used with the ROG Phone 3. So what we're doing in this video is unboxing these and taking a first look at these. And if you're interested in checking out the unboxing and the first impressions of the ROG Phone 3, you can click on the banner on the top right or the link in the description, or just visit our channel at youtube.com/iGyaan and you can check out that video as well. So let's quickly get started. So first thing I'm going to do is quickly unbox these. They do come in a pretty nice simplistic packaging. So I'm just going to quickly cut through the plastic. And just to start off right off the bat, the price is listed here as $7,999, but we'll leave the final price in the description below. So as you can see inside the box, the packaging is laid out quite well and the product itself is laid out quite well, and I can already see a really nice carry case which is included, and then we do have the earphones over here. So let's pull this foam thing out and let's see what else is in there. So we have a quick start guide for the earphones to help you understand how you'll set these up with your phone and how you'll set up the wingtips, etc., how to turn on the active noise cancellation and all of the other features. And then you get a warranty card. So that's basically everything inside the box. Let's take a look at the earphones. So you can see the cable is nicely wrapped up at the back. So that's everything, but I'm assuming there are additional ear tips in here, and they are. So we've got some additional wingtips and we've got some additional ear tips. So different sizes. I'm assuming medium is on here already, but if you want large or small, those are available inside this small packet over here. And then what we have here was actually a clip. It's a lapel clip, so that your earphones don't fall all over the place. And then you can have the buttons right next to your collar. And it's as you heard, it's a solid metal clip, and it's got the ROG sort of logo on it. A really cool accessory. For those people who are gaming, you'd want to keep your cable sort of managed and not coming in your way all the time. So you can remove these wingtips, and you can also remove these ear tips to give you a better seal on the earphones. So you do have these replaceable wingtips that can also be removed from the earphone. And they have a really interesting design because you have a hard plastic base which sort of fits onto the headphones themselves. And then you have a soft silicone wingtip that has been attached to it. So they sort of snap into place, and then you can remove them as well from the back of the headphone, and they sort of pop out. So convenient design, actually a much better design than most wingtips that I've seen in the past. So what I really need to do now is listen to them and see how they sound. We do have a USB-C connector over here, which will directly plug into the phone because the phone has two USB-C ports. So if you are using this with the ROG Phone 3, you can use one of the USB-C ports to have these earphones working, and you can see that it has a gold-plated USB-C connector as well. So I'm going to plug this in, and you can see that we have RGB lighting as well. So right off the bat, it says that it has detected the ROG Cetra. I'm going to tap that, and you can enable it from the profile configuration. It has already set up the profile. So yeah, you do get a pair of memory foam ear tips, which will definitely be a much better fit. So there's a massive difference in what you hear in terms of ambient sound. And if you just press this button, you can hear everything around you. It just opens up. I can even hear the AC. But when I press this button again, it turns on ANC and it just suddenly becomes all quiet. And then it's basically silence, and I can't hear anything. I can't even hear my voice. It does sound muffled like it would from an active noise cancelling headphone. So that's pretty cool. The fact that you can get that level of noise cancellation from earphones that are wired as well, and also the fact that they are of this price range, which is under 7,000 rupees. Okay, so let's first try playing a simple YouTube video and see how that sounds. So let's go iGyaan, and let's look at our latest episode of Texplicit. So massive difference in terms of audio quality just by doing that. Then you can change certain things like enhanced gaming audio and set up this. I can tap on this to change the profiles. I can also increase the bass, and it automatically shows me the ROG Cetra here, so it detects them, and you can also sort of increase the treble and the bass overall levels of each of your equalizer, and get better audio directly on these earphones from this. So what they have is an inline microphone as well, and you also have this sort of control panel here, or this control bar here, which lets you turn on and off active noise cancellation, along with volume buttons and a send and receive button for making and ending calls. So pretty standard headset design with respect to how it is. Build quality seems really on point, and the cable also seems of really high quality. I would have really liked to see a braided cable, but we are not getting that. It's a standard rubberized cable, but it does seem to be tangle resistant, not completely tangle free. But the tangle resistance is something that we'll have to see in a later video. So pretty cool pair of earphones. Now, if you guys want us to review these, we can review these for you. If you do like these earphones, we leave a link to buying them in the description below. My name has been Bharat. If you like the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to be a rebel, you can put left and right and left. So that would just disable.